Hi, my name is Gina Antrim, and I am an SLP and an AAC facilitator. And today I'm going to be providing aided language input while we read the book, What the Dinosaurs Did at School. This is by Rafe and Susan Tuma. And today I will be providing aided language input using the Unity word wall poster from PRC. All right, let's get ready to go and start reading. So our book's title is called What the Dinosaurs Did at School. All right, and on our first page, it's gonna tell us a little about what's gonna happen. So let's read here, okay? Have you ever come home from school to find your dinosaurs somewhere other than where you left them? Most toys will stretch their legs a bit, or they might visit a friend on the next shelf, but they're always back in their places before you return. Not dinosaurs, though. Dinosaurs don't play by the rules. Come to think about it, the dinosaurs have been awfully quiet this morning. I'm sure it's nothing. Time to get ready for school. What the dinosaurs did at school. Did you see that? There in the hallway. It looked like the tip of an orange tail. And there, a flash of green scales in the doorway of your classroom. We may have a problem. Dinosaurs are loose in the school. We'd better do something and quick. If your teacher finds dinosaurs running wild in her classroom, she'll put them in the drawer of no return. Toys that go there are never seen again. A second grader told me that, so you know it's true. Let's stash the dinosaurs in an empty classroom until school lets it out. In hindsight, the art room may not have been the wisest choice. All right, dinosaurs, you've had your fun. It's time to... Hey, where did they go? Shh, listen. Rattle, scritch, rattle, scritch. I think it's coming from the air vents. They're in the walls! The dinosaurs have discovered the library. Oh, we'd better not stay long. With all the racket that they're making, the librarian will be here any second. Think about when we go to the library, we are not supposed to talk or be loud. we're supposed to be quiet so that people can read and learn. If the gym teacher finds us, and he catches them in here, the drawer of no return will be the least of our worries. We'll be running laps until 4th grade. Whew. I do not want to have to do that. The dinosaurs are on a roll. Don't worry. The janitor's closet, it's at the end of the hall. That's where the school keeps the cleaning supplies. Not even a dinosaur could make a mess in there. Today's lesson: never underestimate a dinosaur. Whatever we do, at all cost, no matter what, we've got to keep these dinosaurs out of the, I wonder, where should they not go this time? Let's think about what rooms are in our school. The cafeteria. The dinosaurs will be caught for sure this time red-handed. If somebody says red-handed, it means that you're caught doing what you're doing while you're doing it. So you're caught in the act. There's no way for you to get out of it. Drawer of no return. Here we come. Unless I've got it. We'll use the science lab to create some sort of invisibility potion. It shouldn't be that hard. People, they do it all the time on TV. No, dinosaurs, don't mix those together. Run! Uh-oh, could this be the end? No more pranks. No more mischief. And no more fun. Now that they're stuck in the drawer of no return, they might as well be extinct. But if you think their time at school would be enough to teach the dinosaurs to put their troublemaking ways behind them, there's something that you should know. Dinosaurs never learn. Party in the door of no return. Now they're in a box. The teacher put them back on that student's desk and she says, please, okay, please take them back. She does not want them in her drawer of no return. And that's the end. Thank you for joining me for the reading of What the Dinosaurs Did at School using the Unity board. And goodbye and we'll see you next time.